But then you came close and tore that old veil. You said you were proud of me. We cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. So awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. The story of my Jesus Christ forever made us new. So I'll throw off all my doubt as you open my eyes to see the King of the cross is now fully alive, and my shame dead at Calvary. Oh, we cannot forget, it's all about love. The love of the Father, Spirit and Son. No, we cannot forget, it's all about love. But we've been forgiven in perfect love. Awake my soul, arise and shine. His glory lives in you. Oh, the story of my Jesus Christ forever makes us new. Strength in all my weakness, you're the healer of my wounds. Joy instead of mourning, teach my heart to follow you. My guide ever before me, speaking light upon my path. Forever here around me, yeah. Fear won't overwhelm your love. And I know you're the King who has called me by name. From now till forever, when you take me home, Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, shout them on the mountain top. Jesus, I will sing your praises forevermore. Ooh, forevermore. My fight in every battle, my shield and my defense. You won the final victory, yeah, and placed me in your rest. And I know you're the King who has called me by name. From now to forever, And I know you're the king who has called me by name. From now to forever, when you take me home, Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, shout them on the mountain top. Jesus, I will sing your praises, even in the waiting, knowing that you see it all. Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, and shout them on the mountain top. Jesus, I will sing your praises forevermore. Forevermore. And now I know you've called me here. In you I'm standing tall. And now I know that there's no dark to fear. I'll praise forevermore. And now I know you've called me here. In you I'm standing tall, yeah. And now I know that there's no dark to fear. I'll praise forevermore. And Jesus, I will sing your praises, declare them in the valley, I'll shout them from the mountain top. Jesus, I will sing your praises forevermore. Ooh, forevermore. Ooh, forevermore. Ooh, forevermore. As your words become my truth, oh, I'm holding on to you. And as your words become my peace, won't you come and reside in me? And I won't forget how far I've come. No, I won't neglect the promise you've given. And I will remember you're by me forever, my friend and my healer. The joy I've found in surrendering all my life to your call, surrendering all for your glory. I'm surrendering all, and I know the joy of it all is Jesus. As your words become my truth,